A Tulsa teenager is facing additional charges tonight in connection with an October 1st crime spree that left a Broken Arrow teacher dead.
News on 6's Sawyer Bussey is live on the story, learning more about the juvenile system, where records show that suspect has a lengthy history. Sawyer?
That's right. Well, Deontay Green is in the Tulsa County Jail tonight, facing 22 charges as an adult, an additional 5 as a youthful offender, and he's only 16 years old. Records show that 16-year-old Deontay Green isn't new to the justice system. He has an extensive criminal history that includes car break-ins, home break-ins, assault, gun possession, and drug possession. Green has been in and out of house arrest.
The way the juvenile system is set up is it is therapeutic and rehabilitative by nature, which is very different than the adult system, what people are used to, which is punitive.
On September 20th, Green went to court for connection with a home break-in and theft. The judge ordered probation and asked for the teenager to get a mentor, start counseling, and get into a sport.
By law, the court and the judge always have to go with what is least restrictive, which in his case meant keeping him in the community. In Deontay's case, he had not yet begun a probationary period. He had not engaged in counseling services, mental health treatment, whatever it was that was on his treatment plan. He hadn't really had an opportunity time-wise to engage in that and to measure how effective that treatment plan was.
11 days later, after his day in court, police say Green raped an 81-year-old woman and murdered a Broken Arrow teacher in front of his family.
The system, more often than not, truly does work. We see so many young people really get their lives turned around. We get them rehabilitated. We get services in the home. We provide them to the families. And more often than not, we do have success stories. Just unfortunately, this was a horrible tragedy. This was one that simply the system wasn't set up to avoid.
Green will be back in court for his preliminary hearing on November 30th. Live on the scene on the story in Tulsa, Sawyer Bussey, News on